Now I'm at Lucky Plaza basement. There's actually a more Asian food mall. You want to look for cheap, affordable food right in Orchard Road? Come to Lucky Plaza. I'm going to bring you around to see what are the foods and the prices. Okay, this store roasted delight. Okay, chicken rice set at 550 and look at 450. I think that's okay. Yeah, roasted delights. Okay, 叉烧面4块7毛 and we have the mixed rice store. Mixed rice store. Okay, mixed rice store. Prices. Super meal, set meal, 430 and 480. And the shakis. Shakis and this. Shakis. We go to shakis.
My sister must have tried it.
Pizzas. Shaky pizza. I've not tried this for quite a long time. Shaky pizza. Okay. They got. Oh, I didn't know they had the chicken set meal and this. Shakis. And we have Andux chicken. Okay, Andux chicken. Andux chicken. Yeah, nice chicken. This from Philippines, eh? Oh, Philippines. Okay. Philippine desserts. Nasi lemak. Ayam taliwang. Rice. Bar express. Manukang grill. This looks nice.
Siguro may tapon ng sigarilyo. What's